Hi, I'm Natasha from Findlay Creek Soap Company. Today I'm attempting the one pot wonder technique for this grapefruit and tangerine soap. I have my oils and my lye solution measured out. I've added kaolin clay to the oils and sodium lactate to the lye solution. And now I'm going to blend it together until it has reached emulsion. This is the point where these oils and the lyes are no longer separating and have reached a stable solution or emulsion. This should give lots of time to mix our colors, add our fragrance, and pour the soap into the mold for this technique. I'm dividing the soap into 4 equal parts. In order to do this, I have taken the weight of the bowl and subtracted that from the weight of the bowl and the soap. Then I divided this number by 4 and have poured that amount of soap into each of the 4 smaller containers. For this soap, I'm experimenting with a couple new colorants. I haven't been too impressed with how the orange and yellow micas have been performing in cold process soap. So I have tried adding a bit of neon pigment to these 2 colors in order to punch up the intensity after saponification. For the orange color, I'm using orange red mica and neon orange pigment from Windy Point. For the yellow, I'm using dark yellow mica and neon yellow pigment from Windy Point. My other 2 colors are pretty and pink mica from Fizz and golden peach mica from Windy Point. Where you pour the colors into your container also determines the look of your final bar of soap. I am looking for more blocks of color that will feather into each other, so I am adding my soap at the spout of the container where I will be pouring it out from. I'm also adding them in the reverse order that I want them to be in the soap. So my top layer, I wanted the peach color, so I've added that first to the container, then the pink, the yellow, and to have the final orange color at the bottom of the bar. I've propped up my mold using a folded tea towel, and this will allow me to gradually lower it as the mold fills up with soap by just unfolding the tea towel. I wasn't sure how I wanted to texture the top of this soap. I tried a couple different designs off camera and decided to texture the top using the end of a whisk. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how this soap turned out. I really liked using the fragrance oil. This was a combination of Ruby Grapefruit fragrance oil and Tangerine fragrance oil, both from Windy Point Soap Supply, and it gave lots of time to pour the soap and texture the top. For the colors, the peach color wasn't as vibrant as I would have liked to see, and the yellow and orange neon pigments were a little bit too bright than I was hoping for. So I would definitely use a little less of that pigment for those colors in the future. But I really like the design, the swirl in this soap. I think it looks really funky, pretty cool, and I'm generally really happy with it. I post new videos of the projects I work on every Monday, and I hope you will join me next week for a new project. Thanks very much for watching.